Our flaky, frosty, frigid weather continues as we go through the night tonight. Temperatures didn't get all that warm to the high, and that's right where we sit this hour. Not a lot of wind. In fact, right now out at the airport, things are calm, making the wind chill a little more bearable. And roads are slippery as snow continues to fall very lightly in the FM area. Right now it is 1 below in Grand Forks. Cool as well in Langdon and in Jamestown, 2 below. And temperatures off to the east a little milder, but everyone in the single digits just above or below zero. Here's a look at the big picture across the region. A lot of cloud cover. Notice the clearing line up here. Colder, drier air is moving its way in. Some heavier snow along the South Dakota border, and we have some flakes of snow continuing here in the Red River Valley through northern portions of Minnesota. A little closer look shows that we just had a band exit the FM area. So we still have light snow, but the little bit of heavier activity pushing off towards Norman County and Polk County along Highway 2. But this, Ellendale, that got the foot of snow here just a couple of days ago, getting another intense band. There's some whites in the radar display here, so right along the border just south of you in Oaks and in Ellendale, a chance for some more accumulation. From this band, I'm thinking 1 to 2 inches as it's fairly long and pulling all in the same direction. So you may have a prolonged period of snow in northern Brown County, South Dakota, and out toward the Sisseton Hills. There is some of this light activity in the Polk County area moving from Fosston to Crookston. It's just going to put a dusting on the road, and I don't expect significant additional accumulation from that. Your hour-by-hour forecast shows snow explodes over the region tonight, but I don't think this is going to happen. I think what we're seeing along the South Dakota border is this, but nonetheless, those of you along the border could see another inch or two of snow. As the skies clear, look at the cold air starting to slap its way back into the valley as we go through the overnight. The best chance at some real cold temperatures first thing in the morning will be in the eastern third of North Dakota, 5 to maybe as low as 15 below. Wind chills between 20 and 35 below there. A few more clouds lingering a little longer means not quite as cold to start your day in Minnesota, but it still is not a drive in the park, and roads will be slippery. Tomorrow, sunshine aplenty, and 5 degrees and heading up towards 10 in the afternoon will feel very rosy. As far as wind goes, it looks like it will be from the west. Where the blue arrows are, we'll have some winds around 15 miles per hour. The rest of us, a lot less. So your Wednesday will be warmer, maybe a little less than wonderful, but it'll still be better than your Tuesday. Tomorrow evening, cooling off with a few flakes near Lake of the Woods. Snowfall potential, I think you can drop this thing all the way down toward the South Dakota border. That's where the 1 to 2 inches will be. Everyone else, a trace to maybe a half of an inch. Out toward the cities on Interstate 94, they could see some areas with a little accumulation tonight. Everyone in our area will have some bone-chilling cold, particularly to the west, where the wind chills will be more biting in the morning. In Fargo, 6 as you're getting the kids out the door on their way to school with some wind chills around 20 below. Temperatures warming to 12 on a very sunny and pleasant and quiet Wednesday. Temperatures between 5 and 10 degrees for almost everyone, and including this doe on the go in the snow in Cormorant. Thanks, Rick, for uploading your photo. Now here's the rest of the story. Great day on Thursday. I mean, 18 degrees. Can you believe it, Mike? Can you believe it, Andrea? 18 above zero. Friday, 10 degrees as we get colder Saturday morning.
And then windy. That's awful nice, too.
Wind with teens below in the morning. That's a combination that we're getting used to. It kind of gives us thicker skin up here. Another chance of snow on Friday.
Or mixed as a weep.
Another chance of snow on Monday, too. And by the way, March 1st is the meteorological beginning of the season of spring. It's going to come in not like a lion, but like an angry Sasquatch.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks, Ed.
Thanks.